Welcome back guys again to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss Deep Learning IIT Ropar NPTEL Assignment 2 Week 2. So go to course Week 2 and Assignment 2. For our first question, answer will be option C, that is 256. For the second question, answer will be option C, 251. Question third, answer will be option B. The network is capable of implementing 2 to the power 64 balloon functions. Question fourth, answer will be option B. Increase in the value of the n. Question fifth, answer will be option C. A multilayer network of the Pepstone can represent any Boolean function. Question sixth, answer will be option C. That is 256. Question 7th. How many neurons do you need in one hidden layer of the peptone to learn any Boolean function with input 4? Answer will be option B. Option A. Option A. For 7th question, answer will be option A. That is 16. Question 8th. Answer will be option B. Option A. That is 301. Question 9th. Answer will be 2.025. Integer value. Not integer, it's a real number. Question 10th. Answer will be option B. To maximize the loss function. Now we can submit our assignment. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys.